Okay, good evening, dear students. Today our topic is determination of fugacity. Determination of fugacity from graphical method. Right, this equation derived from the Gibbs equation. We know very well Gibbs equation dg is equal to vdp minus sdt. We want fugacity. Fugacity means nothing but pressure. That's why temperature constant at constant temperature. dt equal to 0. dg is equal to vdp, equation number 1. Then we have some rough work. We know very well ideal gas equation PV is equal to RT. V is equal to RT by P, and dg is equal to vdp from the equation number 1. In place of v we can substitute RT by P. dg is equal to RT by P dp. dg is equal to RT dp by P means we can write dg is equal to RT into dou ln P. dg is equal to RT dou ln F. In place of P we can write F. F is the fugacity. Right, the same equation we can write here. dg is equal to RTD dou ln F, equation number 2. From equation 1 equal to 2, from equation 1 and 2, both are dg is equal to, we can write vdp is equal to RTD dou ln F. This is the equation number 3. After then we can sum rough work. The rough work is PV is equal to RT, V is equal to RT by P, RT by P minus V is equal to 0. This equation for ideal, but we want fugacity. Fugacity applicable only non-ideal solutions. That's why RT by P minus V not equal to 0. That means some value. That some value assume alpha. This equation applicable for non-ideal solution. This equation applicable for non-ideal solution. From this equation we can write V is equal to RT by P minus alpha. These equations substitute in place of V. RT by P minus alpha into dP is equal to RTD ln F. After then dP substitute inside the, multiplied inside the bracket, RT by P into dP minus alpha into dP is equal to RT dou ln F. Here both side RTD value, that's why RTD dou ln F, this value you can write minus RTD dou ln P is equal to minus alpha into dP. Here both side RTD is the common. RTD is the common. After then ln F minus ln P is equal to minus alpha into dP. Then dou ln, here ln A minus ln B, ln A by B, F by P is equal to minus alpha by RT into dP. Okay, this is the equation. From this equation F by P we can write fugacity coefficient value. That is the fugacity coefficient value means the ratio of the fugacity and pressure. That's why in place of F by P we can write fugacity coefficient phi. Dou ln pi is equal to minus alpha by RT into dP. Okay, this is the equation. For we want not fugacity coefficient, we want fugacity. That's why then integration of the above equation. Integration both side in limits 0 to 5 and here 0 to pressure. Dou ln pi limit 0 to pi is equal to alpha by RT is the constant value, here 0 to p into dp. And integration differentiate, that's why this equation we can write ln pi minus ln 0 is equal to minus alpha by RT into 0 to p into dp. Ln 0 is value is the 0. After then ln pi is equal to minus alpha by RT integration 0 to p into dp. In place of pi we can write f by p is equal to minus alpha by RT integration 0 to into d. Here ln a by b we can write ln a minus ln b. Ln f minus ln p is equal to minus alpha by RT integration 0 to p and dp. And we want fugacity coefficient, fugacity ln f is equal to minus alpha by RT integration 0 to p plus ln p. This equation y to p dp plus ln p. Okay, this is the fugacity coefficient, sorry, determination of fugacity. Okay, this derivation only, here there is no any matter, very important also for 6 marks question. Okay, thank you very much.